Where are we?
There is the Sugarland
Town Square, Town Hall, yeah. What is going on here?
There's like a car thing.
Car thing? We're at a car meet. The car culture car meet here at Sugarland Town Hall. It's when the cars meet.
What? They beat each other and then they kiss each other? What?
No, you don't gotta kiss. It's about 10 o'clock. It's already full.
I woke up at 8 and then they woke up late.
Let's go find some cars.
People were taking pictures of the car.
I know, but there's no parking. You like this one more? It's a lot more. What about this one?
Oh, yeah, I like this one.
You like the other one? I need a hat. I need a car culture hat. Car culture hat instead of this one. Oh, all the Lambos and McLarens over there. Up. Main attraction? Am I bad? Hey. Look at this one. This one's nice too. Video.
Look, it's the car. The main representation.
It's a toy car of the car. For sale, that's it.
He may play me. See? You gotta get mic'd up.
So, where's your car?
Huh?
Where's your car?
Back in the corner.
Oh, mine's
Are
all
you
there over
vlogging
there.
again?
Yeah.
Did you bring something? What do you have?
Honda Acty.
A what?
Honda Acty.
The little truck. Then the one in Japan.
What do you do for a living?
I make my wife. I work at Sonic. I make great burgers.
He owns
They
Sonics.
pay me a lot of money.
Oh, you out here. We didn't go this side.
That's what I keep telling you.
It's hard to see. Who did that? Who did the stripe?
Prefix.
Prefix?
Prefix is a company that did all Viper stripes. Like when they left the factory, they go there. This one is one of one. So when we left the factory, it was sent there. It's got like snakeskin seats, and then these ghosted on underneath the clear coat. No other Viper ever made will have these exact stripes.
Yeah. So this is John's Viper, 2008 Viper. 101 snakeskin stripes. I don't know if you can tell. Stripes of the snakeskin. All the way through. Snakeskin. Skateboards.
Whenever they get it from here. These are 25 and this one is 38. Someone took our other 10.
All my friends keep asking about you. All your friends take me back to when we sober, when we're over tonight.
Who I still have her back.
Dynamite shrimp. This looks good. She's hungry. Alright guys, we're back from the car meet and brunch. Check the mail. And it looks like we got the title for the mini truck. So it's officially now a US citizen. That's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.
Just me, goodbye.